Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 6. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct an agriculture studies class for the students of class 6. So let's see our today's topic. It is chapter 4, lesson 3 and 4 reading from our agriculture studies book. Okay, look this book, agriculture studies book, page number today our page number will be 51. Okay, lesson 3, weather and climate of Bangladesh, page number 51, lesson 3, weather and climate of Bangladesh. Okay, lesson 3, weather and climate of Bangladesh. If we consider the geographical position, sea level, height and distance, temperature and rainfall of Bangladesh, we find that its climate is moderate or equable. The main characteristics of climate of Bangladesh are proper rainfall, moderate winter and wet summer. There is not such vapor in the air flowing from the north and the northeast direction during winter, November to February. So there is scarce rainfall. On the other hand, it rains heavily during the summer, as there is much vapor in the air flowing from the south and the southeast direction. Moreover, sudden storms and cyclones strike from the northwest direction during March and April month. These are called northwester storms. These storms are accompanied by hailstorms. Depressions is also formed in the ocean during the summer. As a result, cyclones occasionally hit coastal areas. Some of the main characteristics of the climate of Bangladesh are discussed below. Okay, point number 1, temperature. The highest temperature in Bangladesh during the summer is 34 degrees Celsius. Now it is more than 34 Celsius, and lowest is 21. It is also lower than 21. In Bangladesh during the winter, the highest temperature is 29 Celsius and the lowest is 11. January is the coldest month. The average temperature is 17.7 Celsius during the month. During the winter is the southern part of country. Near the coastal area, temperature remains high, and in the northern part it remains low. Bangladesh is divided into 5 regions according to the durations and intensity of coldness, such as T1, T2, T3, T4 from the passage, okay, from the map. The duration and intensity of coldness in the lowest is T1 regions, and being gradually increased, it becomes the highest in T5 regions. That means if you look at the page number 52, you will get this map, and here T1, T2, so up to T5s are discussed. Now we will go to next page, page number 53. Okay, point number 2, it is rainfall. Rainfall varies largely according to regions in Bangladesh. The annual average rainfall is, so look here, 1,100 to 4,500 millimeter. About 90% rainfall occurs during April to August. There is a little rainfall in winter. The quantity of rainfall increases from the west of the east in the country. The highest rainfall is in Lalpur, Natur, and the lowest in it is written Lalakhal, Sylhet. Okay, Lalkhal, Sylhet. Okay, and 3 number is humidity. Humidity differs quietly with the change of seasons. The air has little vapor in the winter. The air is quite humid in summer, and it rains. The humidity in the air is related with rainfall. The average comparative humidity of the air is in winter is from 73 to 84. It remains 83 to 89 in rainy season. Bangladesh frequently faces natural calamities like heavy downpour, shortage of rainfall, drought, flood, cyclone, etc. Lesson number 4. Agroecological zone based on soil, water and climate. Soil, water and climate differs in different regions in Bangladesh. For this variation, okay, in one particular type of crop grows soil in one spatial area. Bangladesh is divided into 30 agroecological zones on the basis of soil, water and climate. This classification is made considering soil type, fertility, nature of crops growth, level of water in the land during flood, tenure of crop growth in an area, rainfall and temperature. The names of 30 agroecological zones are given below. So look, there are 30 ecological and below. Okay, I am reading one number. Old Himalayan with predominant plain land area, active Testa flooded or inundated land area. 3 number Tista Mandar flooded land area. 4 number Korotwa Bengali flooded land area. 4th number it is lower basin area. 6 number lower Punarbhava flood land area. 7 number active Brahmaputra and Jamuna flooded land area. Young Brahmaputra and Jamuna flooded land area. Old Brahmaputra flooded land area. Active Gangas land area. High Gangas river flooded land area. Low Gangas river flooded land area. 13 Gangas tidal flooded land area. The Bill area of Gopalganj, Khulna, Arial Bill area. Middle Meghna river flooded land area. 17 Lower Meghna rivers flooded land. Young Meghna estuarians flooded land area. 19 Old Meghna estuarian flooded land area. Eastern Surma Kushiara Sylhet basin area. Northern and eastern predominant. This Piedmont plain area. Chittagong coastal plain land area and Martin's Coral Island area. Plain barren tract and high barrenda area. Northern eastern area. And 29 is Madhupur area tract. 29 northern and eastern hilly area and 30 number is Akhaura terrace. So you will read this map. It is, you will look here, the map it is given. So 1 to 30, totally there are 30 segments are given. Map of Bangladesh's agroecological zones. Dear students, in these connections you will not have any MCQs, but you will take a preparations on half yearly exam. Okay, see you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.